Hello, hello. Hey all, welcome back. The best practices in prompt engineering for agentic behavior. That's the topic today for 2 minutes. Let's now look at some of the best practices in prompt engineering that can help us build more consistent and intelligent agentic behavior in AI systems. These tips are very simple, practical, and can make a huge difference in how your AI agents perform. The first and foremost tip is you need to be very clear about agent's role. First, always be explicit about the agent's role. Don't just say you are helpful. That's very vague. Instead, you need to say something like, you are a negotiation strategist, help me plan responses. The clearer the role, the better the agent will understand the tone, domain, and intent of the task. This sets the foundation for consistent and context appropriate responses. Second, break the big tasks into smaller ones. If your task is complex, don't expect the agent to figure it all out in one go. It won't work. Guide it with phrases like, let's think step by step, start by identifying the key parts. This way, it not only helps the model reason better, but also improves clarity and structure in the output. It's especially very helpful in planning, coding, and problem solving. Next, use markers or separators for better clarity. When you include code, documents, or long text inside the prompt, make sure you mark them clearly as I have shown in front of you. You can use the hyphenations, the bars, whatever, and you need to ensure that you indicate very clearly. This helps the agent separate the instruction from the context and avoids confusion. Next, use memory if the agent supported. Some agents support memory. They can recall what was said in the earlier sessions or store long-term facts. If your agent supported, please go ahead and use this. Say things like, in our last session, you suggested a product launch strategy. Now help me with the marketing plan. This gives the agent continuity and lets it build up on the past knowledge. Finally, set boundaries with negative prompts. Use the negative prompts efficiently. When you use it properly, it can help you prevent undesired behaviors. For an instance, say like, do not guess facts, only respond using provided data. This sets clear limits and helps reduce hallucinations or unsafe outputs, especially in critical domains like healthcare, finance, or legal applications. Finally, these 5 strategies can dramatically improve the reliability, clarity, and depth of your AI agents. Prompting is more than just giving instructions. It's about steering the behavior. Use these best practices to unlock smarter and more useful agents. Let me come back with one more session shortly. If you like the channel, please subscribe and encourage. Thank you.